Next guest is the most powerful, most famous, most adorable 19-year-old in the world, here to perform As Long As You Love Me. Please welcome Justin Bieber.
As long as you love me, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, baby. We're under pressure. 7 billion people in the world trying to fit in. Keep it together. Smile on your face, even though your heart is frowning. But hey now, you know, girl, we both know it's cruel, but I will take my chance, yeah. As long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, and I'll be your gold. As long as you la 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 love me. As long as you la 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 love me, love me. I don't know if this makes sense, but you're my hallelujah. Give me a time and place, I'll rendezvous it, I'll fly you to it, I'll beat you there. Girl, you know I got you and us. Trust, couple things I can't spell without you. Know we on top of the world, cause that's just how we do. Used to tell me sky's the limit, now the sky's our point of view. Now we stepping out like, whoa, oh God. Cameras pointing at you, ask me what's my best side. I stand back and point at you, you, the one that I argue with. Feel like I need a new girl to be ballin' with, but the grass ain't always greener on the other side. It's green when you water it, so I know we got issues, baby, true, but I'd rather work on this with you than to go out and start with someone new. As long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, or we can be broke. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, and I'll be your